Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mr. Williams, where we have our beautiful math class, where math is lit, where we make it happen. All right. Well, today, class, we're going to be learning about complex fractions, in which we have already given our class a lesson, and everybody has got a number one correct. But hey, we're looking at number 2 right here. And number 2, it says 5 divided by 3/7. I know that it's 5 divided by 3/7 because this line right here happens to be thicker than the line between the 3 and the 7. That's how you can recognize a complex fraction which you're divided by. So what I will first do is write it. I will rewrite the problem, 5 divided by 3/7. Then I will rewrite it again as a regular division problem, 5 divided by 3/7. Now, I know when we're working with complex fractions, they are complex, but it's all cool. Don't even trip. Only thing we have to use is
keep, change, flip.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use keep, change, flip. Now, the mathematical term for the flip is the reciprocal. What we're going to be doing is taking the reciprocal of 3/7, which is flipping it, and that's going to become 7/3. So what I'll do is I'll make a little column like this, bow, 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 and I'll turn this 5 into a 5. It stays the same. I will actually change my division sign to a multiplication sign. I will change my 3/7 to 7/3. Now what I'm working with, I would just come over here to this side, just keep everything aligned. I would say 5 times 7/3. Now 5 is a whole number, and all whole numbers are always divisible by 1, so I just put that over 1. 5 times 7 gives me 35. And then 1 times 3 gives me 3. But I know I'm not done because all fractions must be what?
Simplified.
All fractions must be simplified. So what I would do is come over here to this right side and I would say 35 divided by 3. Now 3 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 3 gives me 3. Now this is for people who struggle with actually dividing. What I can always do is put my multiplication sign that lets me know that the number in my quotient is multiplied by this, okay? That gives me 3. I subtract 3 minus 3 gives me 0, of course. I bring down my 5. 3 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 3 gives me 3. I subtract that, 5 minus 3 gives me 2. Now when I'm looking at this number and I'm processing it, I say, okay, well this is a mixed number. Okay, what I always do, the number in my quotient is going to be my whole number. Then my remainder is my numerator. And of course, the 3 is the denominator. It never changed. So my answer would be 11 2/3. How many of us got this correct? $23 people, that's a good job. That's a good job, class.